We're going to a turkey derby. Everything's smoking. We blew a line.
We finished the cake.
Trying to make that my thing. I feel so stupid doing this shit. We're here. Everybody's offloading. What's up, gearheads? We're officially at the derby race. The tow truck has like barely any brakes. We're here. So it's a really sketchy drive here.
It's like a freight train on a runaway.
Good luck, everybody else!
Just rolled into a guy. We got the car unloaded. You can see her back there with the f***ing cone. We're going balls deep today, boys. Tristan's
Balls
down
deep.
in some tweeds.
Runaway freight train getting even worse.
Everybody's sending it. There's actually a pretty small crew here today, so maybe we'll win. They have a trophy. And everyone put in $10, so there is a pot you can win. We're driving the car like men with full-blown airbags. Brown would harden up. Yee!
Cars coming.
Yeah, more cars.
We got Jerome. Yeah, he's gonna be a tough one to compete against.
It's okay. We got this.
This is his Camry. Camry never dies though.
Huck Fonda's. We have God on our side. But it is really slippery out today. We were supposed to come yesterday. They canceled it, postponed it today. There's more people showing up, so maybe we'll win some extra cash. We're in it to win it, people. Now we're waiting for them to call the drivers meeting.
All drivers! Random selection. I'll punch you in the face.
Let's send it.
Send it. Yeah, we got like no brakes.
Alright, we got knee brakes.
Yeah, we do.
Sending it.
At this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Dragging
Definitely on something.
my seatbelt won't unbuckle. And we're stuck on a tire.
You got beats on a tire.
Woo! Alright, hopefully we can get this tire out and we don't puncture the radiator or some shit. Yeah! Yep, that was the radiator. So we're number one.
Oval. Yeah, you just turn left. You won? Number one, baby!
Yeah.
I'm definitely going on the other side. Ah, you cheating motherfucker. Cheers, boys.
Chug, 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 chug. Hey, don't touch the camera.
I actually need that. Touch my mirror. Ready! Put pressure on drifter!
Too much sauce.
Go, let's go, let's go!
Pile up, pile up. We got a second. We have no coolant, but that's okay.
We're running real hot. We got a gallon of coolant to toss in. Let's see how this figure 8 goes.
Fucking send it.
Yee-yee!
Rip it off.
Weight reduction, because we want the weight in the rear to slide around with. Oh, the rest of the mission.
Man down, man down. Send it.
That goddamn turbo.
We're lining up for round 3.
Starting out on 15.
Tristyn f***ed us. You ready?
Go.
So this race, this whole time, we're gonna be going backwards.
I'm meant for this.
Go, go, go!
Let me see if it starts now. Woohoo! I'll take a loose battery terminal over a blown motor. Podium.
We're tied for third.
We're tied for third.
Balls deep.
Battery is as tight as it can go. I don't know much more I can do.
This round's gonna be a figure eight. Oh, this is gonna get a little spicy. Dude, they're on fire. Isn't that his daily?
Yeah, it's his daily. Woo!
It's spicy.
Spicy.
He gave her the sauce, all right. Cheers, bud.
Saving it for later. That's why we got beards.
Dude, how do you drink this shit?
I don't know.
This is disgusting. Should have brought a bottle of whiskey, and that way we at least would be warm right now.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
Bottle of whiskey or tequila. Let's see
Tied
how
for
this
third.
next run goes.
We gotta bump it up to second.
Second?
Or at least claim third.
Cash prizes for second and third, so. But you can't strive for the lowest. You gotta strive for the best.
That was gay.
Yeah, I know.
That was so bad. How many tweets have you had?
You're
cut off.
Considering I gotta drive the tow truck later.
Not enough.
Not enough, no. Cheers, guys.
These are so gross. Cheers. Polishing the trophy. We're 7.
We got a smoke shack fire back there. It's gonna be brutal.
This motherfucker got
everybody.
second. Take him out. Everything's smoking. Everybody's smoking. Yeah, she's done. It won't even start right now. It's not driving on the trailer. Hood won't open, but it's all good. We finished. You little bitch. She's flat.
Just one.
She needs a little facelift. Botox, little boob job.
Maybe a good beating from her ex-husband.
Beaten from her husband. That's f***ed up, dude. She just got a beating from her husband. Like, if that wasn't a beating, I don't know what was. That was an absolute fucking blast. Holy fuck. I've been in officially like 7 million car accidents today. Got her handy dandy jump the hip.
We finished 4th.
We went balls deep, just not deep enough.
Final victory lap. Died. We finished the cake.
Tired weekend. Limp 'em home, boys. This thing's gonna pull off. I told you. Back wheel. Something's leaking.
Now you're a certified tow truck driver. Would you look at that?
We blew a line.
Fuck.
Told you it was leaking like a
On
sieve. That's really not good. We don't even have straps, I don't think, to put on the back. Full blown mud butt. There is hydraulic fluid absolutely everywhere. It's not good. Hopefully we make it back to the shop. Hopefully the winch stays tight because we're just spraying hydraulic fluid everywhere.
Note to self, I lost my phone.
And Tristyn lost his phone. Good job, bro. Guess who found the phone? I fucking did. What would you have done? It's gone forever. And then it went to the junkyard.
What?
So
Is it?
Yeah. Is it in park?
On today's episode of How Fucked Up is Fucked Up.
Everybody's leaving.
Now let's see how this voyage goes.
This truck is so clapped. Brakes are clapped, linkage is clapped, everything's clapped. Just clappity clap clap. Clap, clap, clap.
Bang gears in the big rig. Oh, yellow light, let's go!
So we made it back alive. We're saying goodbye to the Suzuki. We could have done better, but we went balls deep, just not deep enough. Stay tuned for the snowboard video. We're both going up to Loon next weekend to full-blown send it. It's gonna be my first day on the slopes. I'm wicked pumped. They just got hammered with snow. They're gonna hit the park and be a couple park rats. It'll be fun. So stay tuned for that video, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.